in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the color of objects inside Photoshop. So the first thing we gotta do is duplicate the image that we have, select your layer and hit Ctrl J if you are on PC or Command J if you are using Mac. Now with this layer being selected, go to the select menu and click on subject. Then drag the fourth tool from the tools bar and activate the quick selection tool. Now if some areas are selected automatically, like the stem for example, hold Alt or Option and click on that area to deselect it. Also you can adjust the size of the brush as you can see right here. After that, whilst the same layer is being selected, click on this button and choose Hue and Saturation. So by doing so, this mask is going to get created, and what you want to do next is you want to click on this hand icon right here and basically get a sample from the color of your image. You can also activate this eyedropper in the middle and get more samples. And after doing so, you can now drag the hue slider until you match with the color of your choosing. In my case, I want my apple to be green. Green apple! So yeah, that's how you change object colors easily and quickly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.